Welcome to MultiTeach and Lessons Online. In this tutorial, I'll show how to navigate to the MultiTeach Lessons Community to access video-linked lessons that include descriptions, standards, and related online resources, using YouTube linked lessons as an example. Navigate to the MultiTeach Lessons Community at mtlc.nuitec.com. Be sure to bookmark the page. You can search for lessons, access links and descriptions, and download lessons without signing in. Enter YTLL in the search box to locate YouTube linked lessons and descriptions. YouTube linked lessons appear after you enter the keyword. Here is one suitable for younger students. You can find the YouTube video links in the first section of the lesson's description. Click to preview. Close the Browser tab to return to the lesson description page. Many lessons have links to online educational resources. Here's a link to the Common Core State Standards Initiative for standards that correspond to counting and cardinality. Here's another example. The Teacher channel provides many resources for lesson planning. This selection provides specific examples of multimodal activities that can extend learning related to the content of the YouTube linked lesson. After you have previewed links, use the back arrow on your browser to return to the thumbnail grid of YouTube linked lessons. Here I'll use the search filter to locate lessons suitable for older students. For your reference, here is an annotated screenshot of a lesson description in the MultiTeach Lessons Community. The description includes a link to a YouTube video about the resolution of the eye, along with related videos, example standards, and free online educational resources. If you plan to show the lesson on your classroom display along with the linked video, you can download it from this page, save it to your desktop, and import it into MultiTeach. In closing, it is a good idea to sign into the MultiTeach Lessons Community and create a user profile. Once you have a profile, you can create private groups to share lessons with colleagues or students, and also give feedback to others who have uploaded lessons to the community. Visit these links for additional information about using lessons from the MultiTeach Lessons Community, Snowflake MultiTeach, and Lessons Online. This has been a tutorial about accessing video and resource-linked lessons on the MultiTeach Lessons Community, featuring YouTube linked lessons.